Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing why the concealer looks orange. Is it the shade, oxidation, or application? Once identified, blot excess gently so you don't move product into new areas. This prevents buildup. Apply a tiny neutralizer, peach for blue and eye, green for redness, only where needed. Use a damp sponge for thin layers because heavy layers trap warm pigments. Make sure to work in natural light if possible. This shows true undertones and prevents overcorrection as you move to tone adjustments. Once you have a neutralizer placed, you balance tones by layering very thin products, 1 to 2 dots of corrective pigment, then a sheer foundation over the top to harmonize. Blend outward with tapping motions so pigment disperses evenly. Dragging will concentrate color and reveal orange patches. If the area still reads warm, add a tiny amount of yellow-toned product to shift undertones subtly. Make sure to check from a few feet away to confirm the fix looks natural in context. To finish, set the corrected area with a light dusting of translucent or yellow-toned powder. This locks pigments and reduces shine that exaggerates orange. Once done, wait 5 minutes. Oxidation can reveal itself, so reassess and tweak with microdoses if needed. If you see patchiness or texture issues, do not pile on product. Instead, remove the spot with micellar water or oil-based remover, reprime the area lightly, and repeat the thin layering steps. One troubleshooting tip: if color flips back, switch to a different brand with cooler undertones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.